and gentlemen, thank you all. What an absolute honor it is to be here once again with the one and only City Developers.
City Developers.
My name is Usman Tariq. I'm Chief Commercial Officer for City Developers. I thank you all today for coming out here for the launch of our third project by City Developers. It is called Agua Residences. It is in Dubai Islands. And this is one of the most attractive areas right now in Dubai. With the vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, we are very thankful to the government of Dubai, who has been very helpful with us in entire infrastructure development of the area of Dubai, and also giving a very good environment for all the people and investors to come in and work here in Dubai, as well as developers, as well as investors. And we are, inshallah, contributing towards the economy of Middle East, UAE, and Dubai, inshallah. This project, we are very excited to announce, because this is one of a unique project you will have here in Dubai Islands. It is inspired by a resort-style living, yet it is a residential project. It comprises of G plus 2 podiums of parking, and then 8 floors of apartments, and 9th floor is full amenities, as well as the first floor as amenities. Yes, I will tell you, because our CEO, Mr. Zurez Malik, is very much a person who designs everything himself. He takes all the efforts in the designing of the building, which makes the project very much feasible, and also for the customer who will be living there will be a very good product, not just any apartment and any other place. How it is innovative, because we compromise on the number of apartments. We are not here to maximize number of apartments. We are here to give more facilities. So this project, we give full floor of amenities on the first floor, in which you will have concierge, you will have a business center, you will have you will have other amenities, like on the other floor you have Roman bath, which is unique, which is not here in Dubai. You will have also apartments with their own swimming pools, as well as private cinema and a cigar lounge. So all these things are very unique for apartment buildings here in Dubai, and we are very happy to be the first people to be doing such things here. These buildings, these are 2 towers. These are Agua Residences Tower A and Tower B. It has 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom apartments, and 4 bedroom penthouses on the top floor. Our project is different and unique, because it gives us a lot of amenities, as well as all the apartments are very much spacious. They are fully furnished. Even the cutlery and all the accessories, even the decorations comes within in the same price of the apartment. The payment plan is very flexible. It is just 10% for the booking, and then 14% includes the DLD, and then 1% a month until the building is handed over. This investment is very unique as compared to other products in the market. It gives a high ROI, as well as very unique product to be living in. Other developers will not allow you to resell their properties before you have paid 40% in installments. We allow only by 24% of the installment is paid, you can resell, because our prices are competitive, our product is better, the quality is more, and the amenities are higher. So that's why, even with all these things, the price is very competitive than the market, with a very flexible payment plan, which makes this project a very unique for everyone. This is a product which is great for as well as an end user, as well as investors. I will tell you both, because investors, the prices are better than the rest of the competitors, and the product is better than all the projects which are already there in the market. So we are not just focusing on one type of buyer. We are focusing, it has to be a complete product which serves the entire UAE market, and it is universal for all of them. We want to say to the world that UAE is the place and the destination for the rest of the world to come. This is a place where all you can come and start your business in real estate, any industry, and all for the customers who are living here. The safety and security is the best in the world. It is so much secure and good to be here with your family, that everybody should be here and coming. Not just my project, this is about Dubai, and we are going to make a lot of difference in the market in Dubai, and inshallah we have a long way to go. We are hardcore developers who are just not made. We are in real estate for last 10 years. We have developed 450 million square feet of development, and now we want to come to Dubai. So this is a chance for all the people. This is the right time. Come now before it is too late. Thank you.